you ever look around your house and look at your dull leaves and then go to a plant store and look at how shiny and nice looking their leaves look? Did you know there is a product called Leaf Shine? I'm Lauren Kane. I'm the founder of Elm Dirt, and we have a organic leaf shine ourselves. What I learned when we were developing our leaf shine is that most leaf shines are not organic and they're a little bit waxy, and so they leave a film on your leaves as well as plug some of the pores that leaves have. And so leaves have pores just like we have pores in our face. Leaves have pores that are called stomata, and that's how they do some of their photosynthesis and breathing. And so when your leaves are dull inside and they've got dust all over them, it can actually interfere with their ability to do photosynthesis, where they turn light into energy and help clean your air too. So by cleaning your leaves every once in a while, you can help them become more efficient in their photosynthesis so they can clean your air better. Now, with most leaf shines, especially the non-organic kind, it's going to plug some of the stomata, then it's not as effective as getting your leaves cleaned with a proper leaf shine. With our organic leaf shine, it helps clean those leaves, and then it leaves a little bit of a shine on them, but it doesn't leave something that's going to clog those pores. It's also got some plant food in there so that the leaves can absorb some of that plant food through their leaves, and it has some essential oils to help prevent things like spider mites on your leaves and help keep the pests away too. So by cleaning your leaves, knocking off the dust, maybe even some of those spider mites, you're also going to help make them healthier, you're going to help make them shine more and look better for your home, and you're going to keep those pests away too so they keep looking great for you.